Welcome back to this series on using Sakai as part of GSET. So one of the things that we're going to recommend that teachers and project coordinators use is the mail tool that's in the site. If you click on the mail tool option, it'll bring up a little WYSIWYG editor here so you can send a message out. By sending the message through this tool, at least originally, it'll help make sure it gets to everyone it needs to go to, as well as can be saved for future reference. So typically when you want to do your to thing, go ahead and click on groups, and you'll get a list of all the various groups in here. So if I were the mentor for the airfoil project, I would go ahead and click that, which will grab all of my scholars. And in general, if you're running one of the research projects, you'll always want to copy the RTA group. That way they all are ready to go. I can set a subject line in here and go ahead and send out a regular email address. Now again, once the projects are going, maybe there's some groups will decide they want to communicate more personally. But for the most part, I've, as a teacher, use this all the time because it helps make sure that the messages go out to everyone. If we have students that move their email addresses, which happen, or realize something's not working right, it gives them that opportunity to, we'll change it once and it changes for everything that they need to go. This also goes through the Rutgers mail system, which is run to try to make sure that mail does get delivered to most of the places where our students are reading it. So it's a good idea. You can go ahead and add a copy to yourself as normal, and as long as the message isn't private, you can add it to the email archive. That's usually not going to be necessary. So this is sort of how you would send out to a group. If you are running a class, you can go ahead and we should find all the classes in here as well as all of the groups. I hope this helps you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask either Patrick or myself, Andrew Page. Have a great night.